Assalamu alaikum everyone. I welcome you all to Christian School Class 5 Mathematics lesson. Today we are going to extend the knowledge of ratio towards simplifying ratio. But before that I would like to share the objectives of the day. These are the objectives. By the end of the day the students will be able to simplifying the ratio, simplifying A ratio B, A ratio B ratio C, where A, B and C are the whole numbers. Simplifying ratio. Since a fraction can be simplified, as all of you are know that how you can find out the simplified form of fraction, similarly we can also find out the simplified form of ratio. Ratio can be reduced without changing their relationship. For example, if you can see on the screen that there are two boys, 1 and 2, and 4 girls, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So you can write the simplified form of this ratio to 1 boy to 2 girls. How? You can find out the simplified form. You can learn from the next examples. For example, there are 4 gray circles as you can count it on the screen, 1, 2, 3 and 4, and 6 green circles, 2 red circles, 1 and 2, 2 red circles, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 green circles. Find the simplified ratio of gray circles to the red circles to the green circles. So first of all you have to write the ratio. Gray circles asked first, so you will write how many gray circles are there. 4 gray circles are there. 4, 2. Then as red circle is asked, so you will write how many red circles are there. 2 red circles are there. And then green circles is asked, so you will write ratio colon sign 6. Then you have to find out a simplified form. Look at these 3 numbers. These all 3 numbers must be divisible by 1 number. For example, these 3 numbers are divisible by 2. All the numbers are divisible by 2. 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6. Just like the fraction, you can also write the simplified form of ratio. Another example, 15 to 10 to 20. It's a question. So you have to identify which all these 3 numbers are multiplied. All numbers are divisible by 5. So 5 3s are 15, 5 2s are 10, 5 4s are 20. So this is 3 2 2 to 4 is the simplified form. Another example, 9 to 15. Now check it with which number these 2 numbers are divisible by. All numbers are divisible by 3. 3 3s are 9, 3 5s are 15. So 3 and 3 to 5 is the simplified ratio. All ratio must be written in lowest form, lowest term, lowest form, reduced form, simplified form. All these terms are same. Read the word problem. This is the first step. Set up the ratio. For example, you scored 40 answers correct out of 45 problems on a test. Write the ratio of correct answer to the total question in the lowest form. So first of all you have to write the ratio, right? Correct answer are 40 and total question are 45. So read the problem. What does it want to know? 40 to 45, 40 colon sign 45, 40 over 45. These are the three different ways at how you can write the ratio. Then reduce the ratio if necessary. Reduce means to break down the fraction or ratio into lowest form. When having to reduce ratio, it is better to set up the ratio in the vertical form, means fraction form. So easiest method is write the ratio in fraction form. It makes your work easy. 40 and 45 are divisible by 5. So 5 8s are 40, 5 9s are 45. So now you have the fraction. You can easily write the ratio 8 to 9. Even you can directly write the reduced form as well. This is your assignment. Page number 110. Question number 1. Part A to D means A, B, C and D on notebook. This is your assignment. Thank you everyone.